Welcome to our channel, English Forest. It is late and you are looking at your phone again. You sent a message hours ago. You can see that they read it. And still, nothing. No reply. Just silence. So you start to wonder. Did I say something wrong? Did I do too much? Should I send another message to fix it? Maybe that is you tonight. I know that feeling. You are holding the door open for someone who already walked away. Tonight, I want to give you one small sentence. It is only 2 words. But it can change your whole life. The sentence is this. Let them. When someone shows you they do not want to stay, let them. When someone chooses to leave, let them. When someone does not text back, let them. You do not have to chase. You do not have to fix. You do not have to beg. The moment you stop pulling on a closed door, your hands are free again. Stay with me, and as you listen, your English grows quietly too. One calm word at a time. This is not a video about giving up. This is a video about getting your power back. So let us walk through it together, slowly, lesson by lesson. Lesson 1. The door that will not open. Picture a woman standing in front of a heavy wooden door. She knocks. No one answers. She knocks again, louder. Still nothing, so she pushes. She pushes with her shoulder. She pushes with both hands. She pushes until her arms shake. Hours pass. The sun goes down, and the door does not move. Now look at her. She is tired. She is angry. She thinks the problem is the door. But the problem is not the door. The problem is that she will not stop pushing. The door was never going to open. It was locked from the other side. And no amount of pushing from her side could ever change that. This is what so many of us do with people. Someone shuts the door on us. They pull away. They go quiet. They choose someone else. And we push with kind messages. We push with explanations. We push with one more try, and one more, and one more. We tell ourselves that if we just push hard enough, the door will open and they will come back. But here is the truth. You cannot open a door that someone has locked from their side. You can only stand there and grow tired. So let them lock it. Let them stay behind it. Let them. The second you step back from that door, you can finally turn around and see all the other doors that were open the whole time. Maybe you know this door. Maybe it has a name. A friend who stopped answering. A person you loved who chose someone else. A parent who never gave the warmth you needed. You have stood at that door for a long time. You have knocked in 100 quiet ways. You softened yourself, hoping they would open. You stayed useful, hoping they would open. You waited by the phone, hoping they would open. And the door stayed shut. Hear me gently. It is not because you are not enough. It is because the lock was never on your side. You were trying to fix something with the only tool you had, which was you. And you were never the broken part. So put your hands down. Let them keep the door closed. Let them stay on their side of it. The strongest thing you will ever do is stop knocking on a door that has already decided. It feels like loss at first. It is not. It is the first free breath you have taken in a long time. Imagine 2 people standing at the same locked door. The first one keeps pushing. She gives her days to it. She gives her sleep to it. A year goes by, and she is still there, still knocking, still tired. The second one knocks once, hears nothing, and quietly walks away. She turns down a new path. She meets new people. She finds a door that opens the moment she touches it. After 1 year, who is free? After 5 years, who is happy? The door did not choose for them. They chose for themselves. And so can you. Lesson 2. You cannot control other people. You were never meant to. Think of a small child trying to hold water in 2 open hands. He scoops it up. He squeezes tight. He wants to keep it, all of it, forever. But the tighter he squeezes, the faster it runs out between his fingers. Soon his hands are empty, and he is crying, and he does not understand why. He did everything right. He held on as hard as he could. That is the cruel trick of control. The harder you grip a person, the faster they slip away. The more you try to hold someone in place, the more they feel the squeeze and pull back. Here is something we forget. Other people are not yours to control. Their choices are theirs. Their moods are theirs. Their silence is theirs. You can be kind, and they can still be cold. You can give your best, and they can still walk away. You can love someone deeply, and they can still choose to go. This is hard to hear. But it is also where your freedom begins. Think about how much of your energy goes into trying to control what other people do. You plan the perfect words so they will not get upset. You change your face so they will like you. You stay small so they will not feel jealous. You say yes when you mean no, so they will not leave. And what does it cost you? It costs you your peace. It costs you your sleep. It costs you yourself. You become a smaller and smaller person, trying to manage a bigger and bigger crowd. And the strange thing is, it does not even work. People still do what they want. They always will. So try the opposite. When your friend is in a bad mood, let them. When someone judges you, let them. When a person decides they do not like you, let them. You are not responsible for managing every feeling in every heart around you. That was never your job. The only person you can truly steer is you. Your words. Your choices, your peace. When you stop trying to control the whole ocean, you finally learn to sail your own small boat. And your own small boat is enough. Imagine 2 people at work. The first one spends all day worrying about what everyone thinks of her. She reads every face. She guesses every thought. She goes home exhausted with nothing left for herself. The second one does her work well and lets the opinions fall where they fall. If someone likes her, fine. If someone does not, also fine. She goes home with energy still in her hands. Same office. Same people. 2 completely different lives. The difference was not the people around them. The difference was where they put their power. Lesson 3. Let them show you who they are. There is an old, simple truth. When the rain comes, you find out which roof leaks. Not before, during. A roof can look perfect in the sun. It is only when the storm arrives that the truth drips through. People are the same. Anyone can be kind on an easy day. You learn who someone truly is on the hard day, the busy day, the day you needed them and it was not convenient. That is the rain. And the rain always tells the truth. People are always telling you who they are. Not with their words, with their actions. The friend who only calls when they need something is telling you who they are. The person who makes you wait, again and again, is telling you who they are. The one who is warm in private and cold in front of others is telling you who they are. We just do not want to listen. So we make excuses for them. We say, they are just busy. We say, they did not mean it. We say, they will change. And we keep waiting for a better version of them that never arrives. Here is the gift inside the words. Let them. When someone shows you who they are, let them show you. Do not argue with it. Do not explain it away. Do not build a story about who they could be. Just watch what they actually do and believe it. If a person treats you like an option, let them. And then quietly treat them like an option too. If a person only comes around when it is easy, let them. And save your best for the ones who stay when it is hard. This is not cold. This is clear. For so long you have been guessing about people. Now you can simply let them answer the question for you. The one who loves you will show it. The one who does not will show that too. Your only job is to stop closing your eyes. Let them reveal themselves, and then you decide, with open eyes, who gets a place in your life. Imagine two people with the same unreliable friend. The first one keeps making excuses. He waits by the phone. He cancels his own plans just in case. Months pass, and the friend keeps disappointing him, and he keeps forgiving and waiting. The second one watches for a while, sees the pattern, and quietly steps back. He stops waiting. He fills that space with people who show up. One man stayed stuck in hope. The other man walked into a better life. The friend never changed, but one of them finally believed what he saw. Lesson 4. Let them go and let yourself stay. Picture a boat tied to a dock by a single rope. The boat wants to sail. The water is calling it, but the rope holds, so the boat just pulls and strains and goes nowhere, scraping itself against the wood day after day. Now picture someone walking down and quietly untying that rope, not throwing the boat away, just letting it go free. At last the boat moves. At last it finds open water. Sometimes the kindest thing you can do for them and for you is untie the rope. Stop holding a person in a place they no longer want to be. Let them sail. And notice, once the rope is loose, you are free to sail too. There are two halves to this. The first half is let them. The second half is even more important. Let me. Let them walk away and let yourself stay whole. Let them misunderstand you and let yourself keep your peace. Let them choose a smaller life and let yourself reach for a bigger one. Because here is the danger. When someone leaves, we often leave ourselves too. We shrink. We doubt. We replay every moment, looking for the place where we were not enough. We let one person's choice become the story of our whole worth. But their choice to leave is not a report card on your value. A person can be good and still not be your person. A door can be closed and the door can still be beautiful. The fact that it did not open for you does not mean you are not worth opening for. It means that was not your door. Let them keep their door. You go find yours, so when they go, do not go with them. Stay with yourself. Make yourself a warm meal. Step outside and feel the air. Call the friend who always answers. Keep your routines, keep your dreams. Keep getting 1% better every day, like learning English, one word at a time. The world did not end. One door closed. You are still here, and you are still whole. Let them leave, and then turn, gently, toward your own life, which has been waiting for you to come back to it. Imagine two people after the same goodbye. The first one chases. She sends the long messages. She asks the friends what went wrong. She puts her whole life on pause, waiting for a door to reopen. The second one feels the pain too. She cries, but she does not chase. She lets the person go, and she stays loyal to herself. 1 year later, the first one is still standing at the old door, older and more tired. The second one has built something new and is standing in her own light. The goodbye was the same. The path after it was a choice. Lesson 5. The freedom on the other side. Now imagine your life with this sentence inside it. Someone is cold to you, and instead of spinning all night, you think let them and you sleep. Someone leaves, and instead of chasing, you think let them and you turn toward your own road. Someone doubts you, and instead of shrinking, you think let them and you keep building. Do you feel how much lighter that is? You are no longer carrying every person's mood on your back. You are no longer the manager of a crowd that never asked for a manager. You set them down, and for the first time in a long time, your hands are empty and free. This is the freedom that was waiting on the other side. Not a cold heart. A calm one. You still love. You still care. You still open your door wide to the people who want to come in. But you stop pushing on the doors that are locked. You stop begging for seats at tables that do not want you. You spend your one short life on the people and the dreams that are actually yours. Let the others go their way. You go yours, and watch how quickly your life fills with people who choose you back. 2 words, let them. Say it the next time someone pulls away and feel your shoulders drop. Say it the next time you want to chase and feel your feet stay still. Say it the next time you start to shrink and feel yourself stand tall instead. You were never meant to control the whole world. You were meant to live your own life fully and let everyone else live theirs. So here is the heart of it, one more time, plain and clear. You cannot open a door that is locked from the other side. You can only free your hands and walk toward the doors that open for you. When people show you who they are, let them. When people choose to leave, let them. And then stay loyal to yourself and keep growing, one calm day at a time. You can do this. The power was always in your hands. You just had to stop using it on doors that were never going to open. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and keep growing every day.